To upload a link to your course, you can select the URL content type from the content picker. Give your URL a name, and then simply copy and paste the link that you would like to add into the provided input field. In the Appearance section, you can determine how the link should be displayed in your course. Displaying the link as a pop-up will open a new pop-up window when the link is clicked. You can also define the width and height of this pop-up window here. Displaying the link in a new window will open a new browser tab when the link is clicked. Finally, choosing to embed the link will embed the web page or online resource directly into your course. You can then select whether or not to display the link in your course. You can also add restrictions to control the conditions under which learners will be able to access this URL. And finally, you can add tags to allow learners to search and connect related content. When you then click on Save and Display, your URL will be available in your course. Based on the display settings you selected, your link will be embedded. Opened in a new browser tab. Or in a pop-up window.